Hi there, I'm Nicolas. Today's Friday FAQ is: why is cleaning your list crucial? List cleaning refers to suppressing unengaged profiles from your Klaviyo account. Removing this profile from your list should be a routine, even more so as you prepare for Cyber Weekend. Email clients like Gmail, Outlook and others analyze how recipients engage with your emails. By cleaning your list regularly, you are only sending messages to people who want to hear from you. Thus, you reduce unsubscription and increase open and click rates. Email clients trust you as a sender and you improve your deliverability. Another benefit: keeping an engaged audience means you know your subscribers and their habits better. It will enable you to personalize content around them. Personalization creates engagement. You got it. It's a win-win situation. Happy cleaning!